Hello and welcome back to Stationery. So today we have got this new pen, and the name of this pen is DOMS INXON Infinity. So it's a made in India pen and it's of the company DOMS. So when we open up this pen, this comes with a rubberized grip, and that's the overall thing that we can say about this pen. Then when we further open this pen, you can see the refill of this pen. So it comes with a jumbo refill. This is a ball pen, and so it comes with a jumbo refill, so it will last that much long. The overall body and design of this pen is very nice and it's pleasant. So yeah, that's what I have to say about this pen. Overall, it's a very cool looking pen, and yeah, that's the overall thing that I have to say. So let's try to write with this pen. So the writing quality of this pen is very smooth, it's dark and it's neat. The ink flow of this pen is also very nice. It's not that much bad. It does the job. Overall, it's a very nice pen. So this is a good pen. Now that's the overall appeal of this pen, and yeah, that's what I had to say about this pen. Overall, it's a very nice pen, and this is a pen that is suitable for students and college students and all. And yeah, that's the overall thing that I have to say about this pen, and yeah, that's the overall thing. Overall, it's a very nice pen and it does the job. That's it. Alright.